No, okay, I'm not joking, cause like.
Yo, I gotta bust out my plaque for real, man.
Please follow me.
Yes, I will.
She want me.
Warning. This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys know this. It's your boy Kevo. Alright, so Marcus T is back, yo. The boy is back with another video, man. And today's gonna be telling how to get girls with just a silver play button on Omegle TV or Ometv, whatever, man. So we're about to check that damn video out, man. But before I get the video, I need you guys to do me a big favor right now. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys new, and yeah, let's get to this damn video, man. Let's go.
Oh, summer.
What?
Well, we got a car, so.
Oh, she's down.
Yo, I'm gonna get my condom first. Chill. Wait.
She's DTF, bro. She's DTF. Oh shit, Marcus.
Second. Yo, YouTube fam, I miss you so much.
Yes, we missed you too.
It's been a while that I haven't posted a video.
Yeah.
These past few weeks was so hard for me.
Why?
Number one reason was, of course, my main channel got deleted. But hey, I'm back with a new video, and I'm changing my content this time. I will go back to do singing reactions. Yeah!
Singing reactions. Marcus is back and doing singing reaction, boy. You guys ready for that? I kind of want to see singing reaction, but this is silver play button, man. Video. What the hell, Marcus? That was silver play button.
Can I sing a beautiful song for you?
Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
All right. This is.
I think I'm gonna miss the pickup lines, man.
Okay?
Oh, thank you.
Habang bata pa sa damuhan maghabulan.
They have no idea what language she's singing.
Singing reactions? Hell no.
Yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. No more singing reaction, bro.
No, the girl.
That's it. To show your play button, bro. Marcus is back, bro. My G. My God, that's a lot of work.
What's up, Mama? What the? Why did I just say that? Can you put the cat down?
She's kind of twerking at the moment.
Oh shit.
Can you put the cat away? Okay, yeah, better. Yes. Thank you, Kat. Thank you. Can you like sit properly? Just sit properly. Just want to talk to you normally though. Take your hands away, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes. Bro, why?
Yeah.
There we go.
What I'm talking about.
I'll see something. This is my shark. His name is Diego. I used him as a pillow last night because he kind of deflated.
Why do you cover your bull? No, I'm just playing.
Are you really playing, bro?
I have one question though.
Are you?
Yeah.
How do you walk with those?
Uh-oh.
With my legs, actually. I don't walk with my tits, I walk with my legs. Fun fact.
Your legs are broken, probably.
Uh-oh.
Yo, what's going on?
What the hell is this?
Come on.
Wow. Yo, your boy has put a lot of effort in this damn editing, man. Oh shit. Oh, who's this? He knows who Marcus T is. The girl's like, who knows that?
Shout.
Yo, Marcus come back hard with this one, man. Marcus has come back hard.
Bro, you're Marcus T, right?
Oh no, we're not Marcus T.
Marcus T?
Yeah, Marcus T. You're Marcus T, right?
No.
Okay. For me to know that you're the real Marcus T, can you say, hey, daddy?
Oh god.
Hey, what's up, daddy?
Hey.
Oh my God, Marcus, bro, Marcus. Who's- She's from the Philippines?
I'm Indian.
Wow.
Oh,
Were you trying to skip me?
I think she was.
No.
Oh.
And someone's texting me like, "Hi, how are you?" And
Yo, wait. So you're talking to me right now, and you're also talking with another guy on your phone.
Oh.
Girl, you need to chill. You only need one man.
Oh, she cheating, bro. Oh, Yo, did he actually message him? What? She's a cheetah. Yo, the amount of effort Marcus is putting into these damn videos right now, man. That's a lot of effort right there, man. That is a lot of effort, bro. Honestly, Marcus putting a lot of effort edited. Like the first couple of minutes, I'm like, damn, this boy's putting a lot of effort.
Is this how you say hello in Kazakhstan?
Kazakhstan?
Да, блядь.
Say, блядь.
What?
Samael.
Блядь.
Yeah.
Блядь.
What the hell is he trying? She's trying to make him say though.
Oh, hey.
Okay.
Hello. Do you play guitar?
Oh God. That's what happens when you put your guitar in the back.
Yeah, good.
You put your guitar in the background, bro. Everyone thinks you play guitar.
That's sad, because I wanted you to play me something.
Oh, maybe he does one
Is it
place.
okay, like it's just
A prop.
just an okay song, not really like
Yeah.
what you're expecting it
All right,
to
it's just a
be.
prop, bro. That's
No,
it.
I'm expecting it to be really bad, so impress me.
Wow.
Yo, girl.
personal.
Wow, this girl's a
Yo.
bad baddie, bro. She's like, yo, it's over.
God, girl. Oh yeah. Oh wait.
Daddy!
Yeah, that's a really good song.
Fly me to the
Oh God, this is classic Marcus right here.
You like that? You like that? oh, you didn't. Oh, you didn't like it. Okay, sorry.
She's okay. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye.
Yep.
Wow.
Why do they always want me to sing?
Cause you got the guitar, bro. Take the guitar out.
Yo, what's up?
Like hide that. I'm gonna put a guitar in my background, bro. Honestly. Okay. Let's just see a little Asian guy. Right? That's how I feel.
How do you?
She wants you, daddy. Oh.
Oh wait.
Daddy, she wants you.
Like this one?
Oh shit! We found a YouTuber. We're gonna be famous. What's your channel? Look at her face. She's gonna be a meme forever. Look at now.
Wait, is this true? Wait, are you
Look,
filming
look.
a YouTube video right now?
Do you film in a video right now?
Do you?
Me trying to skip.
No,
Then I get pictures of.
please.
Hey! Oh.
Hey.
Okay.
Can I ask the girl in?
Yes,
Is that
her.
your sister?
She's
Wait, your sisters, right?
she's a cutie.
Yes.
Why do you guys look like you're being held as hostage?
She's gonna skip you. They're gonna skip you, Marcus. Oh, never mind.
Are you guys okay?
Yes.
How come when I go to Sweden I never get to get these girls? I can never find these girls.
In case you're not okay, I'm gonna call the cops. Okay?
Oh.
Hello, police officer. The girl in black stole my heart. Yeah.
Smooth. Homeboy. Still got it. Still got it, bro.
All right. Bye, mom. As you can see, I don't have a filter right now, but my skin, look at the quality of that.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Daddy.
No, but a word from our sponsor.
A sponsor. Does Marcus sponsor himself?
There are a lot of people in the comment section that are asking me about what skincare or what do I use on my face, because I feel like I have a daddy face.
What the hell's a daddy face, bro?
What are you using though?
What is a daddy face?
I'm using. Yeah. So this is the story. Okay, I found out about this.
What do you find about this, boy?
Of
Chito Miranda. What? Chito what?
The Bisaya guy who has a lot of tattoos. So he promoted this skincare of his, and I'm like, oh yeah, sure. Then I tried it. So it's been a while that I'm using this product, and you can see the result.
Oh, Daddy Marcus.
But so here is the crazy thing about this. The founder of Noah, no, bro, I'm not joking. The founder of Noah
hit him up?
messaged me on Instagram.
You're lying.
He's been watching my videos, and at that time he watched all of my videos for like 2 hours. And I was like,
right, binge watching that shit. I binge watched them as well.
They want me to actually promote the product, which is the product that I'm using.
Sana all.
Damn, son.
Nawan na ako sa'yo. Sheesh!
Lucky.
Listen,
So now he's getting paid to promote that shit.
down below, you will get 100 pesos off. Okay? That's okay, right?
Yeah,
That's
it's good.
But Noah actually gave me enough money so that I could also give back to my viewers, YouTube fam. So,
okay, so what's gonna do?
First 5 people that will click the link and buy a product, the bundle, the first 5 people, you will get a chance to win 5,000 pesos. 5,000 pesos.
That's some big money. That's some big money, bro, right there.
I will only choose one person in that the first 5 people, right? Only choose one person to win that 5,000 pesos. So go ahead and click the link in the description.
Yeah.
Anyway, what are you talking about doing?
He's just leaning.
Right? It's not doing anything.
So you should pick it up and play it for me.
Wow.
Oh, I can play you instead. Here we go. Hey, I'm gonna.
What the heck?
02!
Yes!
Okay. I don't know what the hell that is, but okay.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes!
Yo! It's an honor to meet 02 in real life. Hey, what's up?
She's probably like, oh my god, someone actually knows him.
Are you my?
I love your
Are you my darling?
Yes.
Then please say darling in 02's voice. Can you do that?
Ooh.
Daddy.
Hey! Daddy! Man, Marcus has put a lot of work in his damn videos, man.
Yo, that's what's Weeb master.
I like the fact that he's putting so much damn work, man, in his videos. It's actually really entertaining.
Your turn.
Can't she say? Yamete. Yo, he's in love. That's it.
Oh, okay. Yo, this is a battle. How about? Oni-chan. Okay, you're a weeb. Yo.
Definitely a weeb.
Look behind you.
Why he's looking behind you?
You just dropped your crown.
Okay. Well played, homie. Well played, Marcus. Well played.
No way. No way, you can do that too. I forgot that. Yeah, yes, please, yes. Please.
Man, the
Wait, what's
work
your
that Marcus puts in his damn videos, bro. That's a lot of work, bro. Honestly, that's a lot of damn work,
Easy
man.
Meal?
Work.
Huh?
You look like Easy Meal,
What?
bro.
Yo, he does look like Easy Meal, for real.
Ah, you're Filipino.
Does he know who Easy Meal is?
Oh.
Does this guy knows who he is? No, these guys. Oh, these girls.
Again.
These girls again.
You, my baby.
Okay. Okay.
You just called me your baby.
Okay. What? How the hell does he do this so easy, man?
What the f?
He just skipped it. Who's this guy?
Wait, you can see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
How many fingers am I holding?
2.
No, you're not supposed to see me, bro.
Why?
Why?
It's only cute guys can see me.
Oh my god, that made his day. Oh, daddy!
Hello, brother.
I'm not
That
your
made his
brother,
day.
bro.
Bro, you're my brother, bro.
Don't call me bro.
Yeah, I call you bro.
But you cannot call me that, bro.
Bro. You're my brother, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro.
Pew pew pew!
Hey, I can see your pussy.
No way.
Cover her pussy. Cover. Her pussy. Vagina.
Oh my god. Marcus better be careful, man. What the hell did I just watch?
Hello?
What?
Wait, what? Is
Oh, wow.
this heaven? Am I dead?
Wow. Yo, Sweden got some nice ladies, man. Some friendly ladies too. Like shit. They're super friendly over there, man.
I'm still alive.
Maybe I need to hop on the Sweden server, man.
Angels then.
No, you're so cute.
Why are you
Just
guys
skip 'em?
hiding?
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, the girl in front looks so chunky. Hey, what's up?
Tank Bill? Tank Bill.
Jag vet inte vad det betyder.
Chunky.
Yeah, chunky. Like,
What's that?
Tank Bill?
Do you hear our English? Does it sound good? No.
it's okay. You're beautiful. Shut up.
Oh, thank you very much.
But
Yo,
you're not showing
these
your
girls
face, though.
compliments really good though. Wow. Okay. I see the one in black though. The one in black though, for real, brother. I said
Wait,
that.
How old are you guys?
Ooh, please.
18.
Hey, what's up?
Yes! No FBI! No FBI today! No! See something?
Hey?
Hello.
Where are you guys going?
Nowhere.
No, cause you guys look
Look what?
beautiful. How are you guys? How old are you?
Oh god, here we go. Oh my god, don't do it.
How
Not
old are you
14.
guys?
Not 14.
I'm
What
Oh!
are you laughing at?
Next.
He was like boy. He said that he would do a magic trick.
And then he showed you his penis.
No! And then he showed a card where he could see what the card was. And he was like, oh,
Oh
this
wait,
is a
wait,
card,
wait, wait.
okay?
Who?
Boy.
Who
Hey
asked?
boy.
Hello. Hi.
My guy is savage, bro. He still got that savage.
Oh, I get it. I get it.
What do you get? Are the twins?
What?
What is it?
You're the guys in my dreams. I'm still dreaming. I knew it.
My boy still got it, man. My boy still got it.
Okay. Where is this going? Are we gonna do a threesome this time in my dreams?
Nah.
Wow.
Hello?
Oh.
Hello.
Yo, homeboy's getting a lot of girls on Sweden, man. Is Sweden like full of women or something?
Teach me.
Hey.
Sweden is full of
It's kind of like
girls, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah. Oh yes.
Oh, I like the way you say yo. Hey.
Ooh,
What are your
daddy.
names?
Halvek is over here.
Stop pointing at her. I'm talking to you guys.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, damn.
Okay. Okay, who that? Who
Put the
that?
camera back to her, please.
Who that?
Okay, can you speak? She's shy.
Why they was
can a
damn
goddess
shy,
be so
man?
shy? Come on, girl.
Oh, that was smooth.
Shut up and show your face.
Wow. A little aggressive there.
Yesterday.
That was a little aggressive.
What's her name? What's her name? Lena Hallback.
Lena Habak.
Yo, I'm gonna do Lena How at your back, girl.
What?
Yo, I also don't know what I just said, but I guess they know what I mean. Lena How at your back, girl.
What the f? Oh shit! Okay, okay. You have no idea what the hell he talking. Ooh, she's a baddie, eh? This girl's on her face, bro.
Lena, I'm
Girl on
sorry.
her face.
Lena, I'm sorry. I was just joking.
What is your name?
My name is Marcus, but the girl in the middle can call me
Baby.
anytime.
I wasn't expecting that. Well, okay, he switched it up. I like that, Marcus. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry.
Hey.
Bro,
What the hell?
you can't be this beautiful in Ometv, bro.
Beautiful?
No, like pretty, like you know what I
What?
mean, man.
Okay.
I'm not pretty, sweetie.
Wait, what?
Oh, so you're the humble guy, huh?
No, ew, no.
Shut up! I swear to God, I'm gonna kiss your lips right now.
Why are you gay?
Please do. Please do.
Why are you gay?
Oh hell no! Bye you.
Oh my god.
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Hey.
What's your name?
Evelyn. What's yours?
Evelyn. Okay.
Evelyn. Vaseline?
I'm Marcus.
Oh my
but
god.
You can call me anytime, if you know what I mean.
Hey. Yeah, boy.
Ring, call me ring.
She's not having it anymore. She's like, no, this is stupid. Like, this is stupid. Like,
How old are you?
Oh shit, here we go again, bro. Yeah, I'm
next
have a
shirt.
great day.
Hey. Hi.
Next them. FBI.
No.
Yes. Oh, hey. How do you guys speak English?
This is FBI, bro.
Yeah.
How do you when a Russian?
Bye, have a great time.
This is FBI.
You guys are not listening to me.
Nope. They want nothing to do with you, bro.
No.
Oh, she came back.
No guy. Please, no guy.
Okay, when a Russian guy and a Russian woman, you know, do something in bed.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Booby.
Yeah, okay. Yes, okay. Okay. Oh! My girl's a baddie, bro.
Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful food.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. South
Do
Korea.
you speak English? Are you really
Ninja?
Korean?
Yep, I'm South Korean.
안녕하세요.
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 Hey.
Hey.
No, I'm not Korean. I'm just. I just love K-drama. You know.
What?
My favorite one. Was that Goblin's Bride? The Goblin's Bride. The Goblin's Bride.
Oh, don't get
I have no idea what that is.
I love that. What's your name?
I love the way that
C.
Honestly, I love the way that Marcus is editing his videos, man. They're really good. They're really entertaining, and like they make you watch it through because they're so entertaining. He just puts in the effort. When you put in effort into your damn videos, bro, people sit down and watch it for reals, like for real, man.
Siyun?
Siyun?
Yeah.
Siyun. Do you have Instagram?
Do you? Does she?
All right. Can I have it? Oh, that's you. Okay.
Okay.
How to say cute in
Hold on, boys. We got to do one for the boys. We got to check out her Instagram. All right, we got to check her Instagram out, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see how much after this shout out. How much did she blow up? Did she blow up on YouTube after this? Let me rewind that a bit. Let's see if she blew up. Did Marcus T blow her up after this? Yeah, give me a minute, boys. Give me a minute. I think her. Okay, she didn't blow up that much. She's got damn it, we can't focus. But anyway, she got 165 followers now. But her account is private. Good for her. Good for her. Go subscribe to me. It's Kevin for Kevin for real.
Okay.
Okay.
How to say cute in Korean?
귀여워.
What? Kiawa? Kiawo?
Okay, I don't know how to say it, but I just want to say you're cute. That's it.
She's in love. Yeah.
It's a beautiful life. I'll be the one to cherish you.
Hi.
Wait.
What?
You can see me?
Oh shit.
No, I cannot. You're a ghost.
No, I mean, you're not supposed to see me.
Uh-oh.
Why?
Cause only
Nice.
cute girls can see me though.
Yeah, probably.
Oh my god!
Probably.
No, it means you're cute, dumbass. I meant
Wow.
you're cute.
Now she got it.
Oh yes.
Daddy.
How old are you?
Oh.
Almost 20.
Oh.
Oh, thank you, Lord, for this wonderful food.
Hey.
What's your name?
My name is Shyester.
Shyester?
How to say it?
Shyester.
Okay, that's not an English name. What?
No.
Persian.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Persian?
That's hot.
Yeah.
Yo,
That's
that's
hot.
so cool. My first time meeting one though.
Okay.
What's your mother tongue?
Filipino.
Filipino. Can you speak a little bit?
Yeah, utin,
Oh my
maliit
God.
titi,
That's that.
malaki titi.
What? She's
How about
trolling
you
her.
teach me some
Maganda
Persian words?
gabi.
Especially
Maganda
the I love you. How
umaga.
to say I love you in your language?
We say Duset Daram.
What?
What?
Duset Daram.
Duset daram.
I love you too.
Hey. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God, this girl's face kills me, bro. Marcus kills me with that face.
Oh no, that's not a bad word.
Okay.
It means I love you.
Good, honest chick.
I love you too. Come on, stop saying that.
Yo, my boy is so nice with it, man. So nice with it.
What's your body count?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
My baby.
Oh,
We are meant to be, but
Again.
your sister is just making fun of me.
No. No, I'm not. What
She
the
loves
fuck?
you, okay?
Wait, I only need one girl.
Oh. Uh-oh. You gotta have 2 of them. Marcus, you need 2 of them. It's a 2-for-1 deal, bro.
Yo,
take it.
Yo, chill.
A 2-for-1 deal. You better take it.
She want me.
Yeah, sure. I can follow your Instagram.
What?
You want to follow me too? No, he doesn't.
Okay, Leia.
What? These girls are fight.
Can I shout out your Instagram?
I need to check out it. Sorry, boys. I need to see her. I need to see her Instagram. Let's see her Instagram. Leia. Let's check her out. Check her out. Check her out. Da ba 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 ba. Like damn, almost 2,000. Let's see what she started off as.
Yeah, if you want to.
No, dude, I'm not joking, cause like.
Yo, I gotta bust out my plaque for real, man.
Please follow me.
Yes, I will.
She want me.
Okay, thank you. I will DM you and you will DM back, okay?
Yeah, and then we're gonna start the relationship, right?
Yeah. And then we get married and get a lot of kids. Okay.
What? Yo, are they for real over there in Switzerland? That's how they be doing it? Yo. What? I need that. I don't know what to say. Damn. I need to hop on the Switzerland server, man. Damn, now I see why Marcus on the Switzerland server so much. Damn, they hungry. And she cute too. Like, damn, she cute. That's a cutie right there. That's the one you take home to mommy. You take it home to mom.
Someone just told me I can't be a cop because I'm a girl and girls can't do that job.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to be in the kitchen making sandwiches.
Oh shit.
That's funny.
You don't need to argue with that though. 'Cause
Wow.
it's normal to have police women. Come on, right?
Right.
Exactly, but I want to be like I want to be like I want to do like on my free time I also want to like race dirt bikes and 4-wheelers and all that.
Oh, so
And then like, girls
then.
can't do that either, and I'm like, yes, the fuck they can. Watch this.
Okay, so here's the argument.
Is she playing video game at the same time?
Are you gonna make me a sandwich though?
Oh gosh.
What kind of sandwich do you want?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, Marcus is back, man. I love Marcus's videos, man. That was hilarious, man. I know that was good. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about it, alright? But before you guys get out of here, make sure you guys give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn that post notification bells on, and we'll catch you guys in the next one, alright?